So we are solving question from GATE 2022 from electrical engineering branch. So this was asked in electrical engineering question paper. This question was of 2 marks. So it is based on concepts of network theory and op-amp, operational amplifier, which is from analog electronics. So it says that we have to find the current gain, that is I out upon I in. So this is your current I out, this is your current I in the circuit with an ideal current amplifier given below. So they are saying that this is the ideal current amplifier and we have to find its current gain, that is output current upon input current. Okay, so these two are capacitor CF, this is capacitor CC, this is feedback capacitor, this is coupling capacitor. So this is the question. So first we can apply because this op amp has negative feedback, so we can easily apply the virtual ground concept, and the gain of this op amp is given as infinite, so we can consider it to be an ideal op amp. So if we apply the virtual ground concept, then the voltage of this potential will be 0 volt. Voltage of this node will be 0 volt. Okay, so obviously the current going inside op amp is 0, this current is equal to 0. So this current is I in, means this current is I in, this current is also I in, because this current I in is going through this path, because this current going inside the op amp are 0, the currents going inside the op amp are always 0, so this current is also 0. So let this voltage be Vx, let the voltage at this point be Vx. Okay, so if we want to write the equation for Vx in terms of this Cf, because the voltage across this capacitor will be Vx. Okay, so Vx, so Vx will be equal to 1 upon Cf integral of I in dt by the formula for voltage across the capacitor. Voltage across capacitor is 1 upon C integral of I dt, where I is the current. So the current going in, the current flowing is I in, and obviously I in is constant because this is the current source I in. So I in is constant. So if in this integral we can take I in outside, so I in upon Cf integral of dt. So integral of dt will obviously be t. So Vx we have found out to be I in t upon Cf. Vx we have found out to be I in upon Cf into t. Now I out. What will be the formula for I out? So I out similarly will be equal to Cc into dVx upon dt. Okay, so Vx value we have already found out here, so we can write Cc into d by dt of I in into t upon Cf. Now I in and Cf are constant. I in and Cf are constant, so they will come outside. Then d by dt of t will be equal to 1 only. D by dt of t will be equal to 1 only. So we can write this as Cc into I in upon Cf d by dt of t. So this obviously will be 1, so we can remove it. So this is equal to I out. So if we take I in on this side, then I out upon I in will be equal to Cc upon Cf. So the correct option is option C. The value of the current gain of this current amplifier is Cc upon Cf. Okay, where Cc is your coupling capacitor and Cf is your feedback capacitor. So we did nothing, just we assumed that this voltage was Vx. Then we first found out the equation for this Vx in terms of this feedback capacitor. Then we used that equation for Vx to find out the output current. Okay, and this is 0 volts. Obviously, Vx at this point will appear across this capacitor as well and this capacitor as well, because they both are in parallel. Because this is 0 volt, so these both capacitor are in parallel, because they are connected between Vx and ground. So the voltage across both these capacitors will be same. So this question was based on the concepts of analog electronics and network theory both. So if you have any doubt, post your doubt in the comment box, and please share your feedback also. I really value your feedback. So thank you and best of luck, and please like and share the video and subscribe the channel.